Hi student, I Sandeep. This is class 4th. I am going to cover the chapter number 7, feature of file management. As it is clear from the chapter, file management. So you know when we are clicking the photographs, saving, downloading the song from net, saving photographs from the camera, there are the different kind of files. So we have to save these files. Where this file we have to save, how we can again copy these files. Now in these chapters we will discuss about files and folders, because simply you can use daily life example in your home. When you are keeping your things like clothes and garments, other things, when you are keeping in your home, you are keeping in different places, then it will be easy to you that directly you can go there and you can find. If there is no sequence, no any cupboard is there, no any almara is there in your home, then it will be very difficult for you to find out the things. So same like this in a computer, if we are downloading all the things in same drive, okay, without making folder, so we cannot find it easily. Okay, then with the help of folders we can find it easily, because in the folder name is showing, whatever name is given by you, it will show on your computer. Then easily we can get this folder, and whatever the content in the folder we can get from the folder. And here this first question is there, what is files? Okay, same like this in the filling the blanks also. Okay, it will come, and you have to write okay, answers I am covering in this video also. So you have to listen this me up to last, and then you will get answer. So first you see here different folders are showing to you. Okay, files and folder. I am giving the definition. File management help to organize your and keep track of your files and folder. When we are keeping all the things in files and when we are keeping all the files in a folder, then it will easily we will get track. Okay, file, all the work that you have to save in computer, it's stored in a file. Whatever the work we are doing, like we have Word file, PowerPoint file, Excel file, any photograph, it is like a file, and this file we have to keep in separate folder. That file contain various things such as text, pictures, sound also, and this, okay, this is file. Every file has a unique name. This one filling the blanks also. Okay, why it is unique? Because you cannot create same name folder or same name file in your computer. You have to give little bit variation also. Okay, then easily you will get file. No two file in same folder name, okay, at a same location. If you want to give same name, you have to change location. Okay, like first Sandeep name, like my name is Sandeep. Okay, I want to create my name file, okay, in section in drive E. If I want to create again my name file Sandeep, then I have to put in another drive or D or E anywhere. Okay, not in same location. But you can look in the PPT, files and folder is given to you. First is document file, it is showing in your book also, page number 79. And second we have spreadsheet file. Document file is file that in which we are writing the letter report, it is called a document file. Then Excel file, file is the file in which we are doing Excel work like calculation work and other financial work. Next we are having PDF file. In this stage you are familiar with the PDF file is easily we can import from one place to another place. Next we are having video file, it is showing in the PPT in the screen that it is one icon as a video file. Okay, next we are having folder. Okay, this is also one of question from your back exercise. A folder is a location for organizing your files. What is the meaning of folder? We have to locate all the files in one folder. As in starting I told you, if you are keeping all the things in files and folder, then it will be easy for you to find out. A similar group of files saved together under a common name called folder. A folder can have its unique name. Okay, same like a file, folder is also having unique name. If you want to give same name, you have to change the location, means to say you have to change your drive, E drive, D drive, anywhere you can save. And there are subfolder. The folder which is inside the folder is called subfolder. In the PPT is one, see, two folder is showing to, is there. One is empty folder, means to say nothing is there. And when you will see the empty folder, there is size, no size will be there. Okay, if you want to create, if you are having files in the folder, see in the second, Okay, folder contain files means to say there are the different files. As it is a different file, there will be different size. Okay, empty folder means nothing, no any size is there, no any space, it will be covered by this folder. But in case the folder which are having files, there will be it will be cover space also, and there will be size also. Next, we are having selecting files and folder. How you can select files and folder? Different view steps are different procedure are there. Shortcut also I will tell you. First, while working with the files and folder, you often need to select the files. Okay, that Windows 7 exactly know once which you want to work. Selected the file appear highlighted. See, multiple files are there in your PPT, and there are the files. If you want to select the files, you have to keep the cursor and drag up to last which file you want to select, and then you have to, by the shortcut you can use Control A if you want to select all the files. Okay, once again I am going to repeat the select steps. Open the folder that contain your file, that here this folder is open. Next, click on the file you want to select. You have to click the particular file you want to select, then you have to copy, right click, and you have to copy this file. Next, selecting multiple files. Multiple means to say more than one or more than two files if you want to select. Then same, first you have to open the folder in which files are there. Okay, see, selecting multiple files. How will select? You have to open the folder, then click on the file you want to select, press and hold on the Control key. Okay. Without Control, it will not, you are not going to select multiple files. So Control key you have to click, press from the keyboard. Then again you can copy, and then wherever you want to change the location, then you have to go location and paste. Next, selecting a group of files. How you can select a group of files? Okay, like you want to select, there are the different file in your folder. Word file is there, Excel file is there, MP3 file is there, video file is there. Now you want to select a group of files. Okay, which procedure you have to follow? You have to open the folder in which your files are having. Position the mouse pointer slightly above the left to the first file in the group. Then click the drag mouse pointer over the right until all the required files are selected in your group. And after this, again you have to copy. Okay, for copy, you know, we have to click right. We have to right click, and from the right click we have to select copy. Then wherever you want to paste, you have to go particular location and right click. Again you have to press from the right click, you will get one option, paste. Okay, next we are having copies of files and pasting. Very easily, first you have to open. Okay, right click on, just earlier I informed you, then you have to click on copy. See, it is given, step is given to you, copy. Then you have to go another location, and you have to click right and then click on paste. You will get your file. Next, moving a file from one location to another. What is mean by moving? Means to say you want to change the location of your file. Okay, this is called moving. In the case of copy, the file is on both places, but in case of moving, it is changing the location. So we have to see, if you want to change the location, first you have to see that which location you have to select. What are the procedure, what are the steps for this? You have to open the folder in which your file is contained, select the file, click on the organization and click on cut. If you want to move from location another location, then you have to cut and go at that location, right click there and click and click on paste. And students, for this there is also one question, what is the procedure for copies and pasting? Okay, there is in the back exercise there is question, what is the this is the answer, that steps we have to follow. Click on the folder in which your file is contained, click on the file and click on the organization, then click on the cut. Next, we have renaming a file. if there is, I told you in starting, the same name file is not exist, you have to change the location. Okay, for this, if you want to rename the location, rename the file, what is the step? It's very easy. We have to right click on this particular file. When you will get, when you have to right click, you have to click again, you have to go rename. Okay, after rename, you can give the name of this particular file, and there will be change in name also. Next, deleting a files or folder. If you want to delete a files and folder, means to say, if is unnecessary, it is covering your, it is simply covering your space, it is not in your use, no, you want to delete, then what is the steps to delete a file? We have to right click on the file, and after right click there is an option delete, and you have to delete this file. And again, this file is going in recycle bin. As you know, when we are deleting anything in a computer, automatically it is going in recycle bin. Then how this recycle file again we can cover. Next, this restoring a deleted file or folder. We have to right click on the folder, which is the name of this icon is recycle bin. It is permanent icon. Other icon you can hide, other icon you can delete, but in case of recycle bin, it is permanent icon. It will be in your desktop. You have to open this icon, and when you open this icon, there will be file which is deleted by you. Okay, if you want to restore, there are the steps for restoring the file. Right click on the file, and the second step, and you have to select the option restore. When we click restore, automatically it will be move in location where it is from where it is deleted, and you can view also if you need this file. Next, empty the recycle bin. Suppose you want to empty recycle bin as it is given in the PPT. There is a folder. I told you there is an icon on the desktop, recycle bin. You have to open recycle bin, and second option you have to select empty recycle bin. There is same like question in your exercise also. How we deal? Why should we deal carefully with files and folder? Okay, the answer is this. If we want to, if we deleting this careless, then it will be go deleted permanently, then we cannot cover. So you have to see if it is unnecessary file, then you delete. Okay, and if you are deleting from recycle bin also, then it will be you are not able to recover this file. So when you have to empty this recycle bin, again you have to look which is any file is necessary for you, you have to restore, otherwise you have to remove this icon, remove this file from the recycle bin by the command empty recycle bin. Student, there are some shortcut keys also for this. For first copy, that in the steps it is given, long step is there, but we can use shortcut key. For copy, first we have to press Ctrl C. It is using for shortcut, Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. Next we are having moving a file. Moving a file means to say cut. It is a changing the location. For moving, we have to use key that is called Ctrl X. Both simultaneously we have to press from the keyboard, Ctrl X, and for copy Ctrl V. And next we have rename the files and folder. How we can rename the files and folder? With the help of shortcut, we have to select the file and press F2 key from the keyboard. Then we will easily we can rename our file. Thank you student for watching this video.